Ever wondered how quickly your customers will receive their orders when you're dropshipping with Spocket? It's a question that keeps many entrepreneurs up at night, and for good reason. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, shipping speed isn't just a perk. It's a make-or-break factor for customer satisfaction, repeat business, and ultimately, your store's success. Think about it. In an age where Amazon Prime has accustomed us to 2-day deliveries, how do you compete and keep your customers happy if their anticipated package takes weeks to arrive? That's precisely what we're diving into today. We're going to pull back the curtain on Spocket's shipping times, breaking down what you can realistically expect, the factors that influence delivery speed, and how you can leverage this knowledge to set accurate customer expectations and build a thriving dropshipping business. We'll explore the difference between domestic and international shipping, the impact of supplier location, and even touch upon those pesky, but sometimes unavoidable delays. So, if you're a current Spocket user, considering it, or just curious about optimizing your dropshipping logistics, stick around because this is going to be incredibly insightful. Let's cut to the chase. How fast is Spocket shipping? The answer, like many things in dropshipping, isn't a single, definitive number. It varies. However, the good news is that Spocket prioritizes fast shipping, and that's one of its core differentiators. Unlike some platforms where you might be dropshipping from suppliers halfway across the globe, Spocket emphasizes suppliers located in the US and Europe. This geographical advantage is a huge factor in reducing shipping times. For orders from US suppliers to US customers, you can often expect delivery within 2 to 7 business days. This is a very competitive time frame for dropshipping and is a major selling point for many Spocket users. Imagine offering your customers products that arrive almost as quickly as if they ordered directly from a local retailer. That's a powerful advantage. Similarly, for orders from European suppliers to European customers, you're looking at comparable speeds, typically within the 3 to 10 business day range, sometimes even faster depending on the specific countries involved. Now, what about international shipping or cross-border deliveries? If you're shipping from a US supplier to, say, a customer in Canada or Australia, or from a European supplier to the US, the shipping times will naturally be longer. For these scenarios, you're generally looking at 7 to 14 business days, and occasionally up to 21 business days in some cases. It's crucial to be transparent about these longer shipping times with your customers up front. Setting realistic expectations is key to avoiding customer frustration and chargebacks. So, what influences these shipping times? The primary factor is, of course, the supplier's location relative to the customer's location. As we discussed, proximity equals speed. This is why Spocket's focus on US and EU suppliers is such a game changer. When both the supplier and the customer are within the same region or continent, customs clearance is either non-existent or streamlined, and transportation logistics are much simpler. Another significant factor is the specific shipping carrier used by the supplier. Different carriers have different service levels and transit times. While Spocket vets its suppliers, and many use reputable carriers like USPS, FedEx, UPS, Royal Mail, or National Postal Services, there can still be variations. Some suppliers might offer expedited shipping options at an additional cost, which can be a valuable upsell for customers who need their products even faster. The processing time of the supplier also plays a role. This refers to the time it takes for a supplier to receive an order, pick the product, package it, and hand it over to the shipping carrier. While Spocket encourages suppliers to have quick processing times, usually within 1 to 3 business days, this can sometimes be a bottleneck. If a supplier has a sudden surge in orders or is short-staffed, processing times can extend, impacting the overall delivery speed. Then there are external factors, those elements largely outside of anyone's control. Customs delays, particularly for international shipments, can add unpredictable time to the delivery process. During peak seasons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or the holidays, shipping carriers experience massive volumes, leading to potential delays across the board. Natural disasters, unforeseen logistical challenges, or even global events can also disrupt shipping networks. While these instances are less frequent, they are a reality of e-commerce that you need to be prepared for and communicate effectively with your customers about. So, how can you leverage this information to your advantage? Firstly, Prioritize sourcing products from suppliers located in the same region as your target audience. If your primary market is the US, focus on US-based Spocket suppliers. This will consistently give you the fastest shipping times and the happiest customers. Secondly, always display clear and accurate shipping information on your product pages and at checkout. Don't just say, free shipping. Instead, provide an estimated delivery timeframe. For example, estimated delivery, 3 to 7 business days. This transparency builds trust and manages customer expectations. Spocket often provides estimated shipping times for each product, making this easier for you. Thirdly, consider offering different shipping options. If a supplier provides an expedited shipping option, you could offer this to your customers for an additional fee. This gives your customers choice and caters to those who are willing to pay more for faster delivery. Fourth, keep an eye on your order tracking. Spocket integrates with tracking systems, allowing you to monitor the progress of your shipments. If you notice a significant delay, proactive communication with your customer can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. A quick email explaining the delay and providing an updated estimated delivery date goes a long way. Finally, remember that customer service is paramount. Even with the fastest shipping, issues can arise. How you handle those issues, whether it's a lost package, a damaged item, or an unexpected delay, will define your brand's reputation. Being responsive, empathetic, and solution-oriented will build customer loyalty, even if a shipping hiccup occurs. Spocket's commitment to faster shipping, particularly through its emphasis on regional suppliers, is a significant advantage for dropshippers. It allows you to compete with larger retailers on delivery speed, enhance customer satisfaction, and reduce the likelihood of returns and chargebacks due to long wait times. By understanding the nuances of Spocket's shipping, you can set your store up for sustainable growth and a loyal customer base. It's not just about getting products from point A to point B. It's about delivering a positive experience that keeps customers coming back. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.